Hello students, so the given question here is state the property that is used in each of the following statements. So statements given hai, first one is if A is parallel to B, then angle 1 is equals to angle 5. So we need to tell that which property is used in this statement, why this angle 1 is equals to angle 5. So let's see, angle 1 over here is this and angle 5 is this. Now it is given that A is parallel to B. So let us draw two parallel lines, right? So this is parallel to this. A, this is B. So A is parallel to B, this is given to us. Now you can see that this line, let us suppose this is L. This line L is intersecting these two lines at two different points, and angle 1 and angle 2, or we can say angle 5 over here. Angle 1 and angle 5. These two angles are on the same side of the transversal, right? And these two angles are in the same direction also. So that is why these two angles are equal, and such type of angles are known as corresponding angles. So the angles which are formed on the same side of the transversal are known as corresponding angles, and these two angles are equal. Thus for the first statement, the reason is these are corresponding angles. Moving towards the second statement, it is if 4 is equals to 6, then A is parallel to B. If angle 4 is equals to angle 6, now we are given that angle 4 is equals to angle 6, then we need to show that A is parallel to B, right? So angle 4 is this and angle 6 is this. Whenever we have two parallel lines which are intersected by a transversal, then these two angles which are on the opposite sides of the transversal, these are equal. So angle 1 and angle 6, these are equal and these are alternate angles. These type of angles are known as alternate angles. Also these are alternate interior angles, right? So for the second statement, the reason is alternate angles are equal, therefore A is parallel to B. Always whenever the alternate angles are equal, if two lines are intersected by a transversal and these two opposite angles are equal, we know that these are alternate angles. If angle 1 is equals to angle 2 in this case, that means A will be parallel to B. Now moving towards the third statement, it is if angle 4 plus angle 5 is equals to 180 degree, then A is parallel to B. Angle 4 and angle 5. Angle 4 is this and angle 5 is this. So whenever we have two parallel lines intersected by a transversal, this is angle 4 and this is angle 5. So these are co-interior angles. The sum of co-interior angles of a parallel line is always 180 degrees. If the sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree, therefore the lines are parallel. A will be parallel to B. Therefore for the third statement, if sum of interior angle is 180 degree, sum of interior angles is 180 degree, then lines are parallel to each other. So therefore A is parallel to B. So I hope this question is clear. Thank you.